Good afternoon, everyone. So, first of all, the disclaimer part. And if you want to join us, you can join over our Telegram. It's Chart Magic. And if you're interested for any training or anything regarding the setup or any question, any query, you can drop an email to tradestock37gmail.com and you will get a reply within 24 hours. So this is just the disclaimer part. Now move to the performance. So this is the today's performance. As you know, in Telegram we share TechM to entry 930 around 1004, and now it is at 1020. So we are holding it in fee 1400 CE. We entered at 8.90, although I have written 9.10, and TSL hit for you all 9.3, but I have exited around 9.4. And Titan also touched 1531, so it was the idea before the day before yesterday. And NAM India also touched 342, as it's a mid cap, so it will take some time to give you the movement. But for me, the generally holding period is maximum 2 weeks if it is not performing. And now moving to the market outlook, and apart from that, the tomorrow's watch list, that should be the HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank on sell side, SEC on the buy side, and Hatsun Agro and Godrej Agro from the mid cap ideas. So it will be in the buy side. So let's move to the thing. And before that, I will just I request you all that it's not like that we are also sharing and we are not doing anything. So you can see the chart. Don't go for the profit numbers. That is the reason I have just hidden that one. So I am just showing you that this on January 1 to January 20. And if I click on the view, you can see here that this is the process we are following. If you are following the process, doesn't matter whatever the profit you are earning, but yes, you will be able to make the profit. And try to trade only when the opportunity comes. And this account is a very small account, only 2 lakh probably. So I will show you at the end of the year that how well you can do. So those who are thinking that my capital is low, I am not able to trade, that's a wrong thing. It's all about the process, how you are following the process. And not only that, if I go to the future and option also, just only with 2 lakh of rupees, you can see that yes, there also we are also able to make ourselves green. So it's all about when the opportunity comes, we only trade on that time. So just try to follow the process, you will be able to do that. And now let us move to the chart part. So this is bank nifty, as you can see. So what does this chart is telling us? The most important thing is that you, whenever you are looking for the chart analysis, you have to understand what it is trying to convey. So you can clearly see that today the chart was trying to make a high or try to close above this 32,600, and that's the reason we have given an update that if bank nifty will sustain above 32,600, then it will give you a good move. But you can see here one, after this two times with a very high long wick, that actually gives you indication that someone is selling or booking the profit from this zone. So this zone will be acting as a very important for tomorrow's expiry. So what will be the probability? One, that tomorrow if the market will open above this one, it will definitely try to respect and try to come back. If the market will open between this range 50 or 60 points, then after, if it will make any consolidation for probably 30 to 45 minutes, then there will be a probability to break this one and it will try to touch this one. So what I am expecting, I am expecting that the bank nifty should be having expiry between 32,800 to 32,300, between this zone, between this 500 points, I am expecting the expiry for bank nifty. So this is for bank nifty. Now coming to nifty, as we mentioned yesterday that I am not able to see that between this expiry, this nifty will able to cross this one. So it is also giving you the same indication today. You can see that selling pressure is coming from this level. So I am expecting that tomorrow, if it will be very volatile, then I am expecting above that it needs to sustain at least 30 minutes. But apart from that, as per my expectation, I am thinking a expiry between this 14,450 to sorry, it was a typo. It should be 14,650. So between that range, and I am expecting it to be very volatile because every candle can give you the volatility, right? From this level 14,560 to direct 14,607. So 50 points of volatility will be there. and as the market is making the new high, so definitely the call premium are very high, so the market participant will try to sell the Cs and they will try to drag down the market from the higher level. So this is my expectation, but if the market will open in a small range and within that range for 45 to 50 minutes or till 11, then there will be a probability that it will give a breakout in the upside. So that is for the Nifty. Now coming to the stock specific one. So in stock specific, actually, I am thinking that there is some kind of bearishness. Let me draw. So this is ICICI Bank. So you can again clearly see here, it is actually now making a range itself. So between this 549. So if this stock is breaking down between 549 or 550, then definitely ICICI Bank will be a sell idea. Apart from that, this is the HDFC Bank. Again, you can see the similar kind of structure is there here. So you can see here that if this stock is working below this level, 1485, then it will be a sell. So that's the reason I am giving you an update that in the Bank Nifty, it may be possible that it will be not able to close above that level because there is some selling going on. So this is for the HDFC Bank. And apart from some buying ideas, this is ACC. In today's also, you were able to see some kind of buying attraction coming into the cement sector. So for ACC, I am expecting that there will be a movement above 1720, and based on my expectation, my experience, I am thinking that it will be able to give a breakout. So with a stop loss of 1680, we can trade above this ACC tomorrow. Mm, this is ACC and some mid cap ideas. This is the Hatsun Agro. So it's a complete, as it's a mid cap. So here the 30 minutes chart will not work. So you can clearly see in Hatsun Agro, the biggest volume came yesterday, and I was just going through the result. They have announced the result yesterday, and it was quite good. And as you can see in the last few months, this is the highest volume it has given. So I am expecting that above the 775 level, it will give you a very good move, at least till this level 846. So a very good move can be seen above 775. So with an expectation of 1 month of holding, you can enter into Hatsun Agro. And this one is the Godrej Acrobat. So I am tracking this stock on quite for a while, and it is now coming into my radar. And also in Monday, I have highlighted this stock above 550. It will give a very good move. So this Godrej Acrobat will be in my radar. So now coming to the summary part. So market outlook will be very volatile as tomorrow will be expiry. From a stock specific point of view, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank will be looking for sale. ACC or the cement sector showing some attraction, so it will be the idea for buying. And from a mid cap space, Hatsun Agro and Godrej Acrobat will be in a buy list. So hope you are enjoying, and wish you all a very good health, and wish you all a very happy trading day tomorrow. And if you are like our effort, our little knowledge, then you can click on the like button and subscribe and share with your friends. And for anything, any doubts, any setup, or any training or mentorship, you can drop an email in tradestock37@gmail.com, and you can join our telegrams. We are actually believing on consistency. We are not able to give you very quick return, but yes, you will be able to get a good return over a long period of time. For long period of time means maximum 2 weeks. That is our expectation. So thank you very much. Wish you all a very, very happy trading day tomorrow. Thank you.